Welcome to the city of dreams, where lights never dim and the glamour never fades. Hollywood. Where every red carpet is rolled out, every camera clicks. Behind the glamour, there are many unsung heroes, the masterminds who turn every face into art, the magicians behind the magic, the makeup artists. Whether on screen or for weddings, receptions, parties, or cultural events, these artists craft beauty and style. And today, we're here to celebrate them. For the first time, this show is dedicated to these magicians of glamour, featuring South Asia's finest makeup artists as competitors and world-class judges, ready to bring their expertise and passion to the spotlight. In this ultimate battle of brushes and brilliance, watch as top talents from across North America compete to create magic. Let the transformation begin. Welcome to MUA Glam Wars. Brought to you by Kimi Verma and a non-profit organization, India Global USA.